My name is Tazeen and I am the campus director of Scarborough. One student particularly stands out is a student who was in healthcare courses in our, which is medical office admin courses. That student came from a very disadvantaged background. She was facing numerous challenges growing up, including financial instability and lack of access to quality education. Despite those obstacles, the student was determined to pursue her passion for helping others. She enrolled in medical office admin program. The faculty, the staff at CDI, the instructors, they all rallied around and they provided personalized support to the student and encouragement every step of the way. Finally, the student managed to land a job at a local hospital, where she has quickly become known for exceptional patient care and compassion.